Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. On to DIY number 1. I'm taking the Ceram Coat Lime Sorbet paint and I'm going to mix this with a little bit of acrylic white paint to get like nice pistachio color. And this is one of the ceramic love sign, and I kind of broke it in the center and I attached like roses last time to cover the cracks, and now I'm going to paint it this pistachio green on top of the ceramic sign. Before that I'm going to just brush it off with the sanding stone so the paint sticks well to it, and I am planning to at least give 1 or 2 coats so that the shiny surface is completely hidden and I can decorate it accordingly. I gave like 2 coats and I let it dry, and I dry brushed acrylic white paint on top of it so I can light down the green. And I also have this pink flowers. They're like tiny cute flowers, and I'm trying to attach it all around the heart sign and just basically get a floral heart there, a pink floral heart I would say. Like you're seeing the process, I'm just attaching those tiny 2 flowers together and I'm folding into 4 times with a little bit of a glue and attaching it onto the heart just like that. After I stuck all the hearts, this is how it looks, and I'm going to attach this beautiful pink beaded garland around the heart, so it just gives a little bit of a glitter, and also I wanted to add some shabby chic look to it. So there we have it. So this is how it looks after it is done. So you have to let me know what you think about it. This video would be part of Crafting with Giulia's monthly open challenge. And today's theme would be don't argue the task. So basically you are thinking twice before throwing away all the plastic and the tin and the glass containers, the used items basically. And so I'm going to use a couple of my used items into a beautiful decor, and I will leave the link of her channel as well as the amazing playlist of great creators in the description box. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this one I'm going to use one of this lotion container and this chalk paint that I got from Michael's for a discounted price after Christmas, and I'm going to paint this beautiful pink chalk paint all around this container just to cover those letters. And I'm going to give like maybe 1 or 2 coats. I think 1 coat didn't help to cover the letters. I'm going to give another coat and let it dry. And this is how it looks after it is completely dry, and I'm going to attach this white lid on to the bottom of the container just to give like an elevation and also some kind of a decor to it. So I'm going to decorate this by one of this shiny satin ribbon around the mouth of the jar. So I'm just taking 1 layer of it and trying to attach it with the dab of a hot glue, and I'm also going to give like a tiny bow just like so. Now I'm taking another same white ribbon and trying to create like a tiny bows. I'm going to take like a 1 bigger bow and 1 smaller bow, and I'm going to layer it on top of each other and attach it at the mouth of the jar. Here I'm taking a dab of a hot glue attaching both of the layered bows on top of each other, just like that. It is so cute already, and I think like it needs some more berry decor on it. And from my berry string, I just took like two of the pink berries and two of the pearl looking berries, and I'm attaching it in the middle of the layered bow, just like that. I chalk painted one of the wooden heart cutout, and I'm taking styrofoam, stuck it with hot glue, and I'm also inserting some of the eucalyptus greenery and flowers on the top. On to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to take one of this used shampoo container, and it's already got like nice green tone to it. I'm going to use some of this pink shiny stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm painting white chalk paint on top of this pink shiny stickers. After the paint dried, I'm just pulling off that sticker and trying to attach it on top of the mouth of the bottle. And it took like 3 layers to just basically cover the whole, the top part of the bottle. And I used hot glue to attach it. And now I have this beautiful pink burlap bow, and I'm attaching the bow on top of the bottle, just like so. And I have these 2 beautiful wooden cutouts, one in pink and one in natural wooden color. And I also have this beautiful burlap ribbon, and I'm taking one layer of it, basically one strand, and trying to cover around the bottle and made a knot just like that. And I'm going to basically like a tassel hanging. I'm going to attach those 2 hearts, and I'm going to knot it at the end after I knotted a tight knot around the wooden piece. And I'm going to create like a bow on top, just like that, using a dab of a hot glue. You're going to see how it looks after it is done. So basically I'm attaching it, and I'm also giving a bow towards the end, and I'm going to repeat the same with the pink wooden cutout. And this is how it looks after they both are stuck. Now I'm going to stick these 2 together because they are kind of dangling around. So I took a dab of a hot glue, and I'm trying to attach on top of each other, just like that. Now it looks like something hanging, and also they are not running here and there. And I have this one beautiful white rose with pink hue here and there, so I'm going to stick it on top of it. This is the final reveal of all the upcycled containers converted into Valentine's decor, and I went with the pink and green theme over here. Like you saw the process, this one is one of the lotion container. It already had like a pink paint, and I just had like covered all the letters with some more chalk paint, and I painted white wooden love cutout, and also I just stuffed with a lot of flowers and eucalyptus greenery. And the cap I attached in the bottom just to give like an elevated look with cute ribbon and berries in the center. Yeah, this is one of it I'm very much in love with. You have to let me know what you think about it. This is one of the ceramic love sign, and it got broke, you can see. And I just painted with beautiful lime green and mixed a little bit of white paint to get the right pistachio color. And I just stuck some flowers with some beaded garland around the love symbol, and this is one of it. I'm just loving the green and pink combination. You have to let me know what you think about it. And this is another shampoo container. It had like nice green tone. I thought I should incorporate him also in this project. And like you saw the process, I just attached one of this wrap, shiny wrap with some paint on it, and I painted white paint to just dull it down because it was too shiny for me. And one of this cute bow with several ribbons, got like white, pink, cotton, and some pink thin ribbons. I just made like a rustic shabby bow, and one of this burlap bow in the center with pink flower, and you can decorate with anything. I just decorated with a rose here and 2 wooden cutouts with love symbol on it. So I'm just loving this. You have to let me know what you think about it. And these are few of the cute upcycled DIYs for Valentine. So you have to let me know which one is your favorite. If you have any suggestions towards my channel, I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. And I'll see you again.